Hello, how are you? Okay, I'm going to show you how can you add. There is a drop down option, and you can option to select either customer can take uh, full package, which is $140, and or the single unit, which is $14. Now I'm going to show how can you add that. And for this you just need to go to the product section. First of all, you just need to go to the product section and just click on the attribute. And when you click on the attribute, the attribute will be open. Now there is a name. Input a name for the tag name. Suppose for now I just uh, give the name pack. And after that, just click on add attribute. After that, in the right hand side you will see the pack here. And after this you just need to click on configure term. And there is an option you can the name of this selected item. Suppose there is two selected. One is the box is $40. I just add these things here and add pack. And one is added, and I will added another one which is unit is $14. I just add this one. Okay, there is two things are already added it. And after that we just need to the go to the product section, which product we are going to be edit, which is this product. I already open in this product in a new tab. Just uh, make the refresh. Mm. After that we just need to the down below. First we need to change these things. The first we need to change this thing. Simple product, we just change to the variable product. And that then click on attribute and click on pack, add attribute. Must you need to select these things and select it all. After this selection, just save on, click on save attribute. This bracket selected. After this you need to go to the variation. Click on this variation button. Just click on this variation. After this you need to the click on create variation for all attribute. You just need to click on this, then go okay. And two variable are added. Just click on this. And here is the thing, you just need to put the your each variable details. Suppose for the $40 box is $40, you just need to put a uh, price here, which is 140. And if you want to add the image for this, you can image for this $140, you can go for this. You can just select the image from here. Now I'm not added the image. Just show the option. You can add this image for the 140. And for this $14, you just also need to put the price $40, which is the regular price. And if you also put the sales price here. And one more things, I just want to show you. If you want to add description here for this $14 product, you can also add. No issues on that. And yeah, this is the things you just need to the change. And after this you need to the click on update. Just click on update. After updated the product, just click on view product. Let's see. Is it added or not? Okay, then if I go to the product, there is an option where I can choose the product. Suppose if I choose the box for 140, the price will be 140, and if I choose the unit, the price will be only 40. And this is how you can add any kinds of variable product. All products will be the same procedure. You can add it like this. Hope you understand. If you don't understand anything, or if you have any more questions, please give a message, leave a message for this. I will uh, have to help you. Thank you so much.